Welcome to Sendify. We will show you how smooth it can be to book freight through our system. First, you enter the pickup address and the recipient's address, or choose from your address book. Now it's time to add your parcels or pallets, and choose the day your shipment is ready to be picked up. The shipment now ends up in your shipping list. Here it is possible to revise and edit your shipments before you continue. In this step, Sendify browses many alternatives to find the best freight solution for you. What is your priority for this shipment? Lead time or price? That is entirely up to you. In this step, you can add insurance for your shipment. Your pickup is now booked, and the transportation company of your choice is on its way to you. Now you can easily print your freight documents and attach them to the parcel. When your shipment has been picked up, you can track it directly in Sendify. This is how we smoothen your shipping processes. Register your company today and start simplifying your logistics. Sendify. Logistics simplified.